Dr. Amelia Chen, a renowned entomologist with a passion for sustainable agriculture, has developed an AI-powered pest identification system that is transforming the farming industry. Her groundbreaking technology leverages machine learning to identify and predict pest behaviors with remarkable precision, offering farmers a powerful tool to combat crop destruction. By integrating this system into their operations, farmers can now anticipate pest infestations and implement timely interventions, significantly reducing crop losses and enhancing food security worldwide. Across the globe, farmers have long battled the relentless onslaught of pests that threaten their livelihoods and the global food supply. These elusive creatures, often difficult to detect and control, have wreaked havoc on crops, leading to devastating economic losses and food shortages. The traditional methods of pest control, heavily reliant on chemical pesticides, have proven insufficient and environmentally harmful, prompting a desperate need for innovative solutions. This AI system offers a beacon of hope, accurately predicting pest behavior patterns and suggesting eco-friendly control methods. By utilizing pheromone traps which disrupt pest mating communication, the system provides a chemical-free approach to managing pest populations. This innovative method not only preserves the ecological balance but also enhances crop yields, proving to be a game-changer for farmers seeking sustainable practices. Initially, traditional farmers were skeptical of adopting such advanced technology, fearing the unknown and clinging to conventional methods. However, as Amelia's system demonstrated its efficacy through substantial improvements in crop yields, skepticism turned into enthusiasm. The widespread adoption of this AI-driven solution marked a turning point in agriculture, as farmers embraced a new era of precision farming. Just as the system seemed infallible, an unexpected mutation in a common pest species posed a significant challenge to its capabilities. This unforeseen development threatened to undermine the progress made, pushing Amelia to delve deeper into her research. Determined to overcome this hurdle, she tirelessly explored new algorithms and data inputs, striving to enhance the system's adaptability. Amelia's relentless pursuit of innovation ultimately led to a breakthrough, enabling the AI system to adapt to the evolving pest landscape. Her efforts culminated in a harmonious balance between technology and nature, ensuring sustainable farming practices for future generations. This achievement not only solidified Amelia's legacy as a pioneer in agricultural technology, but also secured a brighter, more resilient future for global food production. We hope that you find this info useful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We create a new video almost every day. Also, comment on your favorite topic you would like us to cover in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!